National Security Service had issued a ghost warning for the entire USA until 50 minutes later. Ghosts from Las Vegas and New Orleans have escaped their buildings and are capable of haunting your house. If your house is haunted, immediately call 555-343-3244 Ghostbusters. If you don't want your house haunted, immediately get to your nearest Home Depot now and surround your house with bricks. Repeat, the National Security Service has issued a ghost warning.